in 173, the Romans were forced to campaign within Quadi territory as the tribe had broken the peace with the Romans. According to Roman historian Cassius Dio, the Quadi had besieged Marcus and the Roman forces of Legio XII Fulminata and very nearly forced them to capitulate due to them running out of water. However, a so-called miracle of the rain occurred when a large downpour helped resupply the Romans with fresh water, while bolts of lightning struck the Quadi and routed them. This event would later be engraved on the column of Marcus Aurelius and was even printed on coins. Ancient sources even differ on which gods it was that created the supposed divine intervention.